Welcome back to our final video on our Office Move example. We're now at point number 23, which is where I ask you to use the project information dialog to change today's date and enter a status update for the project. The reason you're putting in a date into today's date in the project information dialog is because you're forcing it into thinking it's the particular date that you're putting in. In the real world, you would just open up your project file on the day that you want to report progress and you just enter in the progress report. It says in the project information dialog, so the project information dialog is on the project tab, project information, and you're asked to set the date to December 21st, which is 1 week into the project. So you set the current date on the right hand side here of your project information dialog to Monday the 21st, and you say OK, your date is now set, and you're asked to enter a status update for 4 different activities. So the first activity, view premises, is 100% complete. There's, like many things in Excel, there's a number of ways of entering in percent complete. One way of doing it is to double click the task and go to the general tab and see here you've got the option of putting in percent complete, so you can change that in this case to 100 and click OK, and your activity or your task is now 100% complete, and over on the left hand side you'll see a tick mark to indicate that. Another even faster way to do it is to highlight the activity or the task like I have done here. So meet with directors is also 100% complete. So if you identify the row, you go to the task tab. See up here you've got 5 different little blue lines. One is 0% complete, so nothing has happened. 25, 50, 75 and 100%. So once you identify the task below and hit 100%, very quickly with one click of the mouse you've indicated that something is 100% complete. There's another way of doing it by dragging across your dividing line here, adding a new column, drop it down there, and the very first column you're prompted with is percent complete, and you now have your percentage complete indicators here on the right hand side. So the third activity that you've been told that's complete is sign lease, so you can use the column, type 100, hit return, and sign lease is now set to be 100% complete. So the final activity that you've been given an update or a status report on is order boxes. Order boxes is 50% complete, so this time we'll use our blue lines up here on our task tab. We identify order boxes below and we hit 50%, and 50% is registered in the percent complete column. And that's how you update the progress on your project once you've gone live. So thanks for coming through the videos with me, and you've now planned, set a baseline on your project and begun reporting progress on your project. Well done.